Hello, my name is Kathleen Lisson. I'm a lymphedema therapist and author of the Lipedema Treatment Guide, and this is your 5-minute breathwork practice for when you're on the vibration plate. So we're going to go ahead and start with a technique called the stop technique. So after you turn your vibration plate on, I'll invite you to stop what you're doing for just a moment. And then pay attention as you take the next breath. And observe, what are your current feelings and emotions? Are there any notable physical sensations in your body? We don't need to change or judge them. We're just observing them. And then we'll go ahead and proceed. And our next practice is the 5-5 technique. So it's a 5-second inhale and a 5-second exhale. So I'll invite you to go ahead and inhale. And exhale. 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 Inhale. Exhale. Last inhale. And exhale. The next practice will be box breathing. So it'll be a 4-count inhale, 4-count hold, 4-count exhale, and 4-count hold. So go ahead and inhale. Hold. Exhale and hold. Inhale, hold, exhale, and hold. Last inhale. Hold, exhale, and hold. We'll transition back into that 5-5 breathing. So inhale for 5, exhale for 5. Go ahead and inhale and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And last exhale. Now I'll invite you to do some humming. This will bring the vibration in the head and the upper torso. So an inhale and exhale out as you're humming. So go ahead and inhale. Inhale again. And feel that hum as you exhale. Okay, and let go of that. And we're coming close to the end of our practice, so we'll end with the stop technique again. So stop what you're doing for a moment. Pay attention as you take the next breath in. And take a moment to observe, what are your current feelings and emotions now? Are there any notable physical sensations in your body? And then proceed with the rest of your day. Thanks so much for joining me on this 5-minute breathwork practice.